With every glance into nature, our emotions are aroused with amazement and tickled with splendor. In nature's presence, you witness harmony within diversity and sense tranquility in solitude. The soul is humbled, the tongue is speechless, and the mind illuminates in awe. While this sensation is felt from within, it intrinsically and magically points somewhere. Each moment of warmth, shiver, and glimmer acts like a guide, a reminder, a sign towards an artist, an originator, a creator, solidifying one realization, conclusion, and declaration. God is real, and God is always here.